Hello, today I'm in Mercedes GLK. In this video I'll show you how to change information boxes on navigation. In the beginning, let's enter navigation. You can do it by pressing and holding C button right here. Now go to Navigation, Configuration, Information box stop, and you can select between static and dynamic. You can change arrival time between total distance and the next, and you can enable or disable altitude. In information box bottom, you can also select static or dynamic. You can select card, street name, direction or arrival time. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.